Good morning. This is Mr. Hutchison, your assistant principal. Thank you for joining us for Hht Tv on Monday, April the 13th. We have some special guests with us today, and I'll let you all introduce yourselves.
I'm Mrs. Roble, third grade teacher.
Ms. Phillips from third grade also.
Mrs. Criswell from third grade.
Miss Castillo, your school counselor.
Yeah, welcome to Hht Tv again this morning. Good morning, pre-K.
Good morning, kindergarten.
Good morning, first grade.
Good morning, second grade.
Good morning, third grade.
Good morning, fourth grade.
Good morning, fifth grade.
Good morning, parents.
And good morning, staff.
Yes, good morning, everyone. We have some announcements this morning, and then we'll have a little bit of a fun time this morning. If you have a pen and paper available, now's the time to get that if you don't have it available, because we'll play that a game we played earlier or last week with another team. So if you'll have that ready. So we'll go ahead and start with the announcements. I think we've got weather.
Yes, this morning it's kind of chilly. It's in the 30s, and it looks like it's not going to get very warm. It's only going to get up to about 48 degrees today.
Didn't you say it was going to snow tomorrow?
Yeah, I see snowflakes on my phone.
I think we determined that we used the best phone. We had a choice earlier, didn't we?
Yes, I went with the warmer.
Okay. All right. We have next.
Birthdays, do we have any birthdays?
We have two birthdays. Today's Craig's birthday and Dessa Mariah's birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Craig and Miss Mariah. I hope you have a great birthday.
Yes. Happy birthday.
All right.
All
Challenge, Coach Uppine's challenge.
Yes.
Today's challenge is to go outside and pick up any trash that you see.
All right, put it on your jacket. It's going to be cool. But once you get your heart pumping from working so hard, you'll warm up.
That's right. Yes. Good deal. All right. I think you need to remind us of our pickup times again.
Yes, pickup locations for lunch are Hillcrest, Lakeside, PHS, Ash, Thunderbird, and Date Street Housing.
Awesome.
Remember to go by and pick up your lunch and breakfast.
Do we have anything else?
I don't think so.
Ladies, you have anything to say or? No?
No.
Remember to connect or make sure that you're connecting to Dojo.
Yes.
Because we need to make sure that you're online and that you're able to get messages and things like that. So make sure that you're connecting with your teachers on Dojo, because not everything is posted on our Facebook or anything else. So Class Dojo is the way to go.
That's right. Check it out.
Check
We
it
do
out.
have another round of instruction going out today for this week. So be sure to log into Dojo. Ladies, is that where it's posted, Dojo?
Yeah. On Dojo.
Yes,
And
and
you can find it also on the Plainview website.
Okay. So
Yes.
plainviewisd.org. Mr. Hutch, will you put the link up where they could find that?
Yes.
Awesome. And Dojo. So we want you to keep reading and writing and doing math and learning all that you can.
Yeah, keep the learning alive.
Yes.
Learning alive, because there's a lot to still learn, and we just want to make sure that you keep that going, to keep your brain going. We don't want any gaps in there.
That's right. Speaking of keeping our brain going, shall we play a game and see how well our brains are working this morning?
Yes, we should. So we will. I think Ms. Criswell is going to start us off.
Today we're going to play Pictionary. So if you have a pen and a piece of paper, join us. Miss Criswell is going to give us directions on what we are going to be drawing.
Yes. And as I said before, this is when you're going to find out whether or not you listen to directions well, or you tell directions well, or both. So
Right.
I've seen before that I'm not either one of those.
Be sure to post your picture, what it looks like, in the comments.
Yes, that would be awesome. And if you
Mr.
have any
Hutch,
game
your
that-
picture goes first.
that would be cool. If you have any games that you want us to play online here, that you would want to see us play, then let us know.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so let's get started. I know Miss Criswell is anxious to get us to draw.
All right, you are going to draw, I'm going to change my direction a little bit. Two rectangles close to each other with a small space between them. And you want rounded corners. So two rectangles with rounded corners and a small space between them. Okay, so you're going to draw a straight line connecting the two rectangles. And then you're going to draw, start on the left rectangle. On the left side of the left rectangle, you're going to draw a line diagonal. Here we go. Up to the right. And then on the right rectangle, on the right side in the middle, you're going to draw a line diagonal upwards to the right as well.
Will you repeat that instruction?
Yeah, you're going to, on the right rectangle, on the right side, draw a line diagonal to up to the right. Okay, that's it. So it probably doesn't look like it's supposed to. So on the count of 3, show me what you got. Yeah, okay. I didn't even count to 3.
Gosh.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, we drew Miss Criswell's glasses. Here, I'm going to add something to mine. Here we go. Ready?
A nose and a mustache.
There we go.
All right, that was fun. Thank you, parents and students, for joining us again today for HT TV. I'm Mr. Hutchison, your assistant principal.
I'm Miss Castillo, your school counselor.
I'm Miss Criswell.
I'm Mrs. Roble.
And I'm Miss Phillips.
Okay, and as always, you say it with us today. Remember our saying that we say every day: "Do it
The
The
Highland way. Be successful every day.
Have a great day.
Have a
Have
great
a great day.
Have a great Monday. We'll see you Tuesday." Hey guys, make sure that you stay tuned for a couple more games. Thank you.
At the bottom center of your paper, draw a big circle. The bottom center, draw a big circle. Now, on top of your big circle, you're going to draw a medium-sized circle. On top of the medium-sized circle, you're going to draw a small circle. In the medium-sized circle, draw 3 dots going up and down in the center of the circle. On the top of the small circle, draw a square, touching the very top of the circle. On the bottom of the square, draw a straight line that sticks out from both sides of the circle. In the small circle, draw 2 dots right under the hat, kind of a little bit ways apart. Underneath the 2 dots, draw a half circle where the scoop goes down. Okay, on 3, we're going to show what we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, good.
Yay.
Good job. Good job, Hollis.
Ah,
Awesome.
all right. Who wants to do the next one on? In the middle of your paper, draw a, a horizontal line straight across the paper. And on top of that horizontal line, I want you to draw a half circle coming above the line. A half circle coming above the line. On the half circle, I want you to put hash marks sticking out around the half circle. So just randomly place half circles or dash marks around the half circle. Okay. All right. Okay. Now above the half circle, I want you to draw a circle, small oblong circle, like a flattened circle, not really flat, but sort of flat, just anywhere above the circle or the half circle, just anywhere above that. I want you to draw another one, another circle, kind of overlapping that circle, just kind of overlapping it a little bit right next to it, anywhere around it. And then I want you to draw 2 or 3 more of those circles, just overlapping each one of those circles. Anywhere around there, okay? All right. You got that so far? All right. I think I'll leave that, and then you can figure out what it is. So I could add more to it, but I don't want Ms. Castillo to think I'm giving too many instructions. So too many things to do. All right. So go ahead and show me your picture. Yay. So what is it?
The sun and clouds.
Yeah, the sunrise.
The weather app.
What's that?
The weather app.
It's the wet. It's the weather app. That's fun. All right. Thank you, ladies, for joining us this morning. Thank you for being our guests on Hht Tv. Well, thank you for that. We'll have some other guests on. We'll have to spin the wheel with Miss Alcazar. She couldn't join us this morning. She had some meetings this morning, but we wish her a good day as well. But thank you again, ladies, for joining us on Hht Tv this morning. And make sure that you connect with them.
Yes, definitely.
Bye.
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 All right, we're good.